Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here. Alright you guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So you guys, this is my end of the summer September harvest. And I was able to get some pubanos. I found another purple bell pepper, and my pubanos did not get as big as I wanted them to, but I actually got a combination of reds and greens and a whole slew of jalapenos. My jalapenos did very well this summer. Some of them got as big as looking like little Jergen pickles. So I have more than enough. Look at the size of that one there. I have more than enough jalapeno peppers to where I can make me some salsa, some sofrito. I will be doing some sofrito with these as well. So overall, you guys, this was an awesome harvest this season. I am on a mission to get my peppers to get a little bit bigger and my onions to get a little bit bigger. But I'm just satisfied with what I was able to harvest this season, and I still have some more coming in. And you guys, I did a video on how to pump your peppers up to get more of a harvest out of them coming to the end of the season. I just add bone meal and blood meal and sometimes some worm casting to give them a boost. And that's pretty much with any vegetation that you grow. Any fruits or vegetables that you may grow, you give them a nice boost where you could get the end of the season harvest off of them. And I also found some banana peppers. I don't know why that one turned red. It may have been a red one, but I had some yellow ones out there, the peconis. But the sizes of those are definitely decreasing. Our cooler weather is coming in, and it's been feeling pretty good in the evening time, but our days have still been hot. Last week it was 95 degrees, and I was out here cleaning up, and I had to go inside, and then I realized why I had to go inside, because it was 95 degrees, and I didn't know it was going to be that hot. So you still got time to plant some transplant. You may even still have time to do some seeds. My seeds are germinating throughout the homestead. I'm going to give you guys a tour of what my fall garden is looking like. But again, I'm super excited about this pepper harvest that I got. I might even do some more cowboy candy with my jalapenos. I may do that because that is a quick preserve to can up, and you definitely get some longevity out of them. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. So I may be able to get another harvest maybe in another 2 weeks if the cooler weather don't slow them down to where they're not producing. I'm still seeing flowers on a lot of my peppers that are out there. So hopefully in another 2 weeks I could get another harvest, and then it's going to be pretty much done when it comes to the peppers. My pepper bed needs to be cleared out. I can see a lot of my peppers plants have died back, so I'm going to be cleaning that out. But my planter wagon is still producing. I may have some Tabasco peppers that I can harvest off of those as well, but right now there's the pubano plant is still thriving, but I know it's going to slow up because, like I said, the cooler weather is coming in. So there is some slowdown over there, but I may be able to get one more harvest. And I also have the balm peppers that are out there, but they're green right now, and I might get to those before the cool weather, but I'm hoping that they do turn red because they're really nice sizes for them to be green right now. So I may be able to get a few of those before those start to die back as well. So right now we still have some jalapenos, and we still have some pubanos. It's definitely an end when it comes to the bell peppers. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. Not too bad for end of September harvest. All right, you guys, I hope everyone is doing well. This is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Peace.